This is going to be a complete review of this insanely powerful software called OfferLab. Now, OfferLab was created by the one and only Russell Brunson, who created ClickFunnels, which is now a billion-dollar software business. But OfferLab is going to be 10 times even bigger than ClickFunnels, and I'm going to prove to you why. So in this video, I'm going to explain what OfferLab is. I'm going to talk about my insane bonuses when you sign up for OfferLab, which is free, by the way. And I'm going to show you how you can promote this as an affiliate and get 100% commissions. Let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, this is the OfferLab marketplace, and there's a bunch of different types of products, different types of offers, from health and fitness, make money online, cryptocurrency, literally every type of offer that you can think of. Now, I'm going to show you why this is so powerful, not only if you're a complete beginner that wants to make money, but also if you're an established business and you want to put your offers on OfferLab, that way you can make money as well. Now, I want to break this down on how OfferLab actually works, because I've seen tons of YouTube videos, but no one explains it in a way that actually makes sense. So check this out. So the way I think of OfferLab is creating a super funnel, okay? Now, bear in mind, I'm going to create this to make sense for a complete beginner. So if you already know what a funnel is with upsells, bear with me because I'm going to explain it for the beginners as well, okay? Now, the way I've made millions of dollars is by creating a funnel, right? Now, again, what a funnel is you send traffic or customers or people online. You send them to a page where you collect an email, and then from that page, you send them to go buy a product, okay? Let's just say this is a $97 product. When someone buys this product, then in the funnel, we then have upsells, okay? So we'll say upsell number one. We'll just say, I don't know, maybe this is a $197 product, and then upsell number two. I've had as many as 2 to 3 upsells in my funnel, okay? And this is $397. Let's say we'll do one more just so you can see how this works, okay? We'll just say upsell number 3, and we'll say this is $497, okay? So what happens is someone buys the main product here, main product for $97, and then you can sell upsells, okay? Now, before OfferLab, you had to go and create all of these products, okay? You had to create, an upsell number 1, you had to create an upsell number 2, upsell number 3. Like you have to actually go and create and fulfill on those products, okay? Now, with OfferLab, what's really, really cool, okay? So I'm gonna put OfferLab here. What's really cool about OfferLab is you can create, I call it a super funnel, okay? Because let's just say this is your main offer, okay? And you can have your offer as the first product, most likely, right? But let's just say you're selling an AI course, okay? Let's just take an example, okay? This could be anything. It could be a fitness course. It could be whatever, okay? I'm just gonna put an AI course. For example, I have a course called AI FREEDOM LAUNCHPAD, where I teach people how to use AI, but then how they can resell the AI course at 300% commissions, okay? Now, what's cool about this is I can then create this super funnel, right? So let's just say, I'm teaching people how to sell AI, but the next thing is I want to teach them Facebook ads, but I don't know Facebook ads, or I don't want to teach it. I don't want to go create another course. So let's just say upsell number 1 should be Facebook ads, because now they need Facebook ads to sell this AI course, okay? So what I can do is I can actually go to OfferLab over here, and I could see if there's an offer in Facebook ads, okay? So I can literally just put Facebook ads, and as you can see, there's quite a few trainings on Facebook ads, right? So what I can do is I can actually become an affiliate of these actual courses, and what's cool is I can then add that to my funnel, okay? Now, the cool thing about OfferLab is I don't have to go and, get this product from these people, and I don't have to put it in my own membership area. What's really powerful about it is OfferLab does that for you, okay? So let's just say, let's just say I find this product here. Here's one of my friend's products, okay? This is Christina Rowe. So what's cool is, let's just say I want to add her program as my upsell number 1, okay? So what happens is, okay, she pays 30% commissions. I can promote this, but now I can start to create the super funnel, right? So let's just say someone buys this. Well, now I get 30% commissions here. And then let's just say I want to create another product, right? Upsell number 2. Let's just take a look what there is at the moment. I can go to the marketplace and say, what can I add in here? Okay, let's go to courses and coaching. Profitable private islands blueprint. Okay, this is $497 product. Okay, that's cool. I wonder, that pays 50%. So cool. What is this? It's a transformative framework on how to own a private island. Maybe that one wouldn't make sense for what I'm doing, but podcasting, right? Maybe I can add something like that. Infinite banking. Okay, maybe that's something that would make sense. But anyways, like basically what you want to do is you want to create something that would create a super funnel. Okay, you got to find the right product here that would make sense. Okay, so secret MLM hacks. I mean, you'd have to really figure out what the best thing here, but here we go. This one's actually interesting. Here, check it out. ChatGPT for coaches, 90% commissions, right? So I can add that as maybe my upsell number 2. That's 90% commissions. Okay, so there we go. Now, if it's your main core offer, okay, that's typically it's your offer, so you get 100% of everything. But what's happening here is you're creating this super funnel, right? Basically, you can create as many products as you want, and then we could add one more for upsell number 3. I think some people even have as much as 100% commission, which is absolutely insane. Here's one that would probably make sense. How to write an AI book. So that would make sense, right? Because what's cool is I can remember my main core product. I could be teaching them this AI course right here, but then upsell number 3 is like, hey, I'm going to teach you how to write an AI book, right? So what happens here is now you're creating this super funnel where you don't have to create all these products, okay? So it becomes really, really powerful. Now, the way it works is obviously your main core offer, this would go directly to your bank account, right? And then if someone buys upsell number 1, 70% would go to the owner automatically, and then the 30% would go to you. So 70% would go to the owner, and then same thing here, right? So in this case, 10% would go to the owner, and then 90% would go to you because that's the agreement. Okay, so that's kind of how this works. Okay, now the cool thing is, let's just say someone buys upsell number 3, it automatically sends them the product. Okay, so they get the emails to fulfill on this. Okay, so it's really powerful because you don't even have to do the fulfillment on this, but it's your funnel. Okay, and that's the power of OfferLab. Like, I've never seen something so insanely powerful. Okay, the next question I get is, well, does it matter if I have ClickFunnels, if I have Funnel Freedom, if I have Kajabi, System.io? Like, I have a different funnel builder, I have a different membership area, I have school, right? That's the thing about OfferLab. It doesn't matter at all, because what happens is you can actually integrate everything into OfferLab. Okay, so if I go to my account and go to integrations, you can see I can integrate any of these products here. Okay, any of these, you can see ClickFunnels, Square, Shopify, ShipStation, Product Dino, WooCommerce. Okay, you can add all of these integrations directly into OfferLab. Okay, so what's really cool about this is you just create your integration, and then if you want to sell your product, you want to upload your product to OfferLab, all you do, okay, super simple, is you go to where it says sell, and then go to Vault, and then you can go ahead and add your offer in here. Okay, so you can literally add as many offers as you'd like. Okay, and then people can sell them. You can see right here, this is one of my products here. I have it priced at 97, and I have it set at 40% commissions. Okay, so really, really powerful here. You could set the commissions as whatever you want to pay people, and you don't even have to pay out anyone. This is all automatically paid out. Okay, now if you're a Funnel Freedom user, basically if you go to integrations, you would want to go to this Go High Level installation. Basically, Funnel Freedom is built on Go High Level. So if you are using Funnel Freedom, you would want to go to Go High Level. Again, this is going to be the Funnel Freedom version if you are using that. Okay, now I know some of you are actually promoting my AI Freedom Launchpad, where I let you resell it at 100% commissions. Now the cool thing is you can add your 100% version of AI Freedom Launchpad on OfferLab, and now people can become an affiliate for you. It's insane. It's the coolest thing ever. I recommend that you sign up for OfferLab. It's 100% free, and then once you sign up, you can go ahead and upload your funnel. Again, it just integrates with your Funnel Freedom or your ClickFunnels or whatever it is, and then people can sell it. Okay, so very, very powerful, super exciting. And I'll leave a link down below to get access to OfferLab through my link, because it'll be a special invitation where not only you can sign up for free, but you can also promote as an affiliate as well. Okay, so I also have an insane bonus when you sign up just for free. Okay, so let me show you. you. All right, so when you click that link down below to get OfferLab, it's gonna take you to this page here, okay? Now you're gonna wanna sign up through my link and not anyone else's, because I have this insane bonus, okay? If you go to this page right here, I have a ton of bonuses that I'm gonna give you, okay? The best part about it is this super bonus right here, okay? It's called Jonathan's Viral Facebook Post Writer, okay? Now, I wanna show you why this is so powerful, okay? I'm gonna go to my Facebook here, and I wanna show you that this Facebook Viral Writer that I'm gonna give you for free is literally helping me get millions and millions of views daily, okay? So these are my insights right here. As you can see, 16 million views in the last 28 days, okay? And the way I'm doing this is using ChatGPT, okay? So this is gonna be the biggest bonus I've ever done. So basically, this Facebook Viral Writer helps you make posts like this, okay? Simple post right here, and then all the actual steps are in the actual comments. So you can see people have to go through these, and then everyone will start to comment, right? I'm getting literally hundreds of comments, and I'm posting like 10 times a day, okay? I'm literally like clockwork, posting every single hour pretty much, okay? And the way this works is I created this custom GPT viral content writer, okay? So this is it right here. And basically what you can do is it'll write these posts for you, okay? So let me show you an example here. I'll just say, write me a new post, okay? So it's gonna give me the post here, so you can see it gives me like a quick post, and then it gives me all the comments that I want. And this is custom created, that way you can model this, and this is exactly how I got 16 million views in the last 28 days, okay? So that's gonna be my super bonus for getting access to OfferLab through my affiliate link, okay? So that's the only thing that I asked for. And then there's a bunch of other cool bonuses. I'll let you look at that. But the super bonus is the one that I'm really excited about, because I'm just getting an insane amount of views. I want to help you as well, okay? So make sure you sign up for that. That's going to be the super bonus for signing up for OfferLab. And if you have any questions at all on how it works or how to upload a product, it's fairly simple. But if I get enough people asking how do you actually upload the offer, the funnel, then I'll make another video. But I really just want to get this video out as soon as possible, because this is honestly one of the most insane opportunities I have ever seen since I've been online. So I'm really excited about this, because what OfferLab does is it brings everyone in the industry together, right? I like this because we can actually be collaborative and sell each other's products and help each other make money, rather than, you know, trying to compete and dominate someone else. Like, this is the coolest product I have ever seen, and it's absolutely free, okay? So not only is it amazing if you're a complete beginner, because you can create this super funnel, but it's also amazing if you have a product and you want to put your product on the marketplace, because there are literally thousands of people that want to promote your products and add that into their funnel as well. So let me know if there's any questions down below. Make sure you sign up, and we'll see you inside, and God bless.